her hand because she's not. It's a lie, okay? So through this experience, I can really, what's happened? I can really measure if something is all wrong, okay? Sit down. I'm going to show it to you. Your name is? Okay, your name is? Strong. Strong, okay. I'm going to go here. Your name is? Strong, okay. Your name is? Spencer, nice to meet you. Oh, hold your hand. Okay, so you can see, and now say another name. It's your second name? What is your name? Your name is on it, okay? Okay, say a lie. Okay, and hold it very strong, okay? So even if your name is Michal, or your second name is Michal, it's going to be a little, okay. So in those things, I can really, when we talk about somebody's, well, my blockage to go up in the organization is, I don't know, I'm not good enough, okay? Or I think that, so we can really measure if what is wrong. And sometimes he said, well, I'm okay. Yesterday, just here, I met this young lady. She just came to sit with me. And I told her, I didn't understand why she came. And then I started a treatment with her on the chair. And I said, there is a list that we can use this. And I'm taking the list and I'm going 1, 2, 3. And then the one is, when it's weak, I know this is the thing. So I said, do you have fear of abandonment? I said, no, I don't have fear of abandonment. But her body is very weak when she said fear of abandonment. And I said to her, well, let's look. And I asked the body, 1 year, 2 year, the time frame. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. I said, what happened 14 years ago? And she said, and her energy was like, shh. Well, I got married. And I said, well, and she said, I got married to the wrong guy. And she was Indian, and she really right now is trying to get herself out of the marriage. So she had to clean the story, talk about the story, how you change the story. So we have technique by healing, very special healing, and 4 questions. One question says, how do you feel about it? How do you feel about it? And you give and you say, and I'm doing something with the energies and cards, the magnetic cards. And then I said, what do you want to feel about it? Not now. Now how you feel about it. What do you want to feel about it? What do you need to release? And what do you want to get in, bring in? Okay? So we are doing those 4 questions in the organization, and it really works and it's really interesting. I'm going to do something more, and then if you're tired, tell me, okay? Okay. So I brought cards, okay?
Choose one. Yes, we are so beautiful. אבל תגידי לי מה הצעה. היא הוציאה לי משפחה, אבל היא הוציאה מסע. אוקיי. I want you to go. There is all the Israelis in the front. Raise your hands, please. All the Israelis raise. Okay. You are Israeli. That's okay. But all the Israelis raise your hand, and the people who sit next to you translate them what's written over there. Okay? Because they have to know.
Okay, so if you have your word now, try to figure out, well, I'm going to say something about the cards. My mother passed away 4 years ago. My mother passed away 4 years ago, and she was having ovary cancer, and she, during those 10 years when she was sick, she was doing all those sculpture that you see in the cards. So this is the cards that we are produced in my printing shop of my father, and we gave, because I work with people, I use cards a lot. So my mother is here, and she's helping you now. So I want to say, what do you have here? Hope. Okay. Now ask yourself, why did I get this card? You know? Why did you, what card do you have there? Okay, you know what you got it today. Okay, now, if I'm going to go there and find out how she feels about the word fear, let's see. But open your energy. Go, stand up. Okay, stand up. Say fear. Now, if she doesn't have any fear, it's going to be strong, yeah? But it's weak, okay? So we talk about it later. I'm not going to do a treatment here, but okay. Okay, now you have abundance, yeah? Okay. We try to figure out if it's just a hint for her you are in the right direction, or you have to change your way, okay? So she had abundance, and aura? Okay, it's strong. So she is in the right place. She is a bounded person, so stick to her. Okay, and then this says choice. Okay, it said choice, and there is couple, okay? Choice, and there is couple there. So well, let's see. Are you sure that you want to share about it? Choice. Your arm. Say choice. Okay. Okay, so about couples, okay, about being in couples, okay, how's your choice there? Forgiveness, yeah? It's weak, sorry, have to do something about it. Doubt, oh, lots of doubts. Express, let's see if you're, express yourself, say express. Not expressing too much, you have to express, whatever, הכלה, איך אומרים? הכלה, to embrace, to content, to content. What? Contain, to be a container. Okay, container. Whoa, they say container. Whoa, it's very, very weak. It's a problem for you to contain right now? Things? Just a second. To contain, I don't know. Think about it. It's very weak. It was very weak. Trust. Okay. Do you have enough trust? No. Work on it. Struggle. Do you know what it means? Struggle in your life? What are you struggling? Or maybe you struggle with yourself. איך אומרים עומס? overload. Halash, halash. This is my second name, okay? לידה מחדש, it's a rebirth. חזק. Okay, it was strong. So if I go and check me, hope, if you have hope or not, yeah, hope? What's that? Lean on someone or lean on something or leaning. It's a problem for you to lean off somebody? Maybe I need somebody to lean on? Anybody? Okay, let's see. Comfort. What do you think about comfort? And what about yourself? Yeah, you give yourself enough? Are you giving yourself enough comfort? אז זהו, שלא. No. Not enough. Work on. Okay. Love. Strong, darling. Great. Okay, to be alone with a group, because you see a group there, but the word is alone. Are you alone in a group? Yes, I am alone in a group. How does it feel? Think about to be alone in a group. It makes her weak, okay? So we can really, I can do it later because I think we should finish, but by using this technique, it's a door. And then we have going to have a conversation about it, and then we're going to do a healing process, and then when our frequency is going up, and I'm cleaning the story that sitting on hope or sitting or express or trust. When I talk about it and clean it, my energy is lifted, uplifted, and then I become more lighted. I want you to finish this when I want you to stand up. And if you can come here and be together in a circle, yeah. Even if it's okay. Come. Standing in a circle, okay? Try to make it a big circle. Okay, there is a lot of place to everybody. Okay? Now I want you to come here. If you can go a little bit, try to be close. Yeah, there is a place. Always there is a place to somebody. My yoga teacher said, we're going to the yoga and then we put our mattresses. I said, well, I don't have a place. He said, the yoga place, it's like a graveyard, this is enough. Everybody has his own. Okay, I want people in. No, you come in. Okay, we're finished. Okay.